By working through the back of a stitch, you're intentionally twisting it to create a different effect. To purl into the back of a stitch, take your right hand needle and scoop up the back leg of the stitch up from underneath, and then wrap the yarn around and pull it back through the way it came and slide that off. And again, I'm going to find the back leg of the stitch, insert the needle, yarn around, pull it through and slide it off. And again, there's that back strand, the back leg of the stitch, insert it up, yarn around, pull it through and slip it off. And again, just push that top leg down so you can see. We go underneath, around, and then pull it through back the way it came. Let's do one more. Scoop it up from behind, yarn around, pull it back through, slide it off. And now all these stitches are twisted, which is not so obvious on a purl row, but if we turn it round to the other side, you can see that these stitches are slightly tighter sitting on the needle.